Alright, are you two ready?
Yes, Mom, we're ready. Wait, where are we going again? Summer, we're going to the car wash. Adoy. Oh yeah, I've never been to one of those before. I'm kind of nervous. Hey, don't be nervous. It's my first time going to a car wash too. It'll be fun.
Okay, girls, will you have your seatbelts on? Looks like we're ready to go.
Wow, this is like a magical tunnel. Wow, so many colors. This is so beautiful. Like a magical fairyland inside of here. I could really just lay here and watch these colors all day long. It's beautiful. Ah, it's like it's raining on the car. Whoa. Is that a spider? What kind of bug is that? It's attacking the car. Do you guys see this? I don't think we're safe in here. Ah, it's on the windows trying to get inside. Ah, we gotta get out of here. Oh, goodbye, colors. I'm gonna miss you. Wow, that was so much fun. It's like we were going through a tunnel to like fairy princess land, and there were bubbles and lights, and it was great. Can we go and get a car wash again soon? Please. If you guys do go again, please don't take me with you. So scary. I felt like we were trapped. It was dark and like spider bug things were attacking the car. I thought we weren't gonna make it out alive. Oh, Summer, it wasn't that bad in there. That wasn't spiders. That was like, just not a bug. I know it wasn't a bug. It was like these nice feathery looking things giving the car a hug. Okay, Marsha, but I still don't like the car wash. It just kind of scares me. Well, hey, that's alright. Look at it this way. You came in and you didn't know what to expect and you were probably nervous, but in a way it's like you faced your fear without knowing it was even your fear. So, I'm proud of you. Thanks, Marsha. I just hope that I'll be able to face more of my fears again. Have you guys ever been through a car wash before? If you did you find it scary? Well, thank you guys for coming with us to this journey of our first time going through a car wash. If you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Please subscribe for more videos. Marsha, I was gonna say that. Thanks everybody for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.